The treatment for colon cancer is colon resection. So, ibig sabihin nun yun, operation. Putulin yung bituka, kasama yung mga lymph nodes, or kulani, or lusay, yan tawag in Bisaya, kasama po yun sa surgery. Tanggalin po yan siya para matanggal po talaga yung cancer sa katawan. Okay? Meron pong approaches, either open, ay tinatawag na laparoscopic. The open approach, ito po yung classic one, the classic midline approach na ginagawa for the longest time. And more recently, yung laparoscopic, yung tusok-tusok o yung camera-camera lang. Although meron pa ding hiwa, but not as much as the open one. So the advantage ng laparoscopic is shorter ang hospital stay, less ang pain, and then meron siyang cosmetic effect din kasi mas maliit niya yung hiwa. So whenever you get treatment for colorectal cancer, kung meron kayong surgery that needs to be done, please consult your surgeon regarding the options. Huwag mo kalimutan, again, treatment for colorectal cancer is surgery. Hindi po yung mga magic pill, hindi po yung mga whatever na mga binibenta po dyan that will say it will cure cancer. Always consult your physician.